Hello, YouTube viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have something fascinating to talk about, a 2009 South African Rand coin. We will not only explore its historical significance, but also discuss its current value in the collector's market. So, if you're a numismatist or just someone curious about rare coins, you're in for a treat. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our intriguing content. Let's get started. To begin, let's take a closer look at the 2009 South African Rand coin. This coin, minted by the South African Mint, features some remarkable design elements. On the obverse, you'll find a portrait of Nelson Mandela, a symbol of South Africa's fight against apartheid and a global icon of peace and freedom. On the reverse side, there's the iconic image of a jumping springbok, the national animal of South Africa, representing agility and resilience. Now, let's delve into the historical context of this coin. The year 2009 marked a significant period in South Africa's history. It was the year that South Africa celebrated 15 years of democracy since the end of apartheid. Nelson Mandela, who became South Africa's first black president in 1994, was a central figure in this era of change. The coin serves as a powerful reminder of the country's progress and the values of unity and equality. Moving on to the current value of the 2009 South African Rand coin, its worth can vary based on factors like condition, rarity and demand among collectors. Given its historical importance, this coin is highly sought after by numismatists worldwide. If you happen to own one in pristine condition, it could be a valuable addition to your collection. If you're considering clipping this coin for any reason, whether it's for jewelry making or crafting, it's crucial to handle it with care. Here are a few tips to keep in mind. Use proper tools. Invest in high-quality coin clippers to ensure precision and minimize damage to the coin. Work in a controlled environment. Choose a well-lit and organized workspace to prevent accidents and scratches on the coin's surface. Consult experts. If you're unsure about the process, consider consulting coin experts or professionals who can guide you through the clipping process without compromising the coin's value. And there you have it, the story behind the 2009 South African Rand coin, its historical significance, current value, and tips for clipping it if necessary. Remember, these coins are not just pieces of metal. They carry the rich history and heritage of a nation. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow coin enthusiasts. If you have any questions or if you'd like to share your own experiences with this coin, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy collecting.